In this episode, I'm taking you on a journey to Halong Bay, Vietnam. As a foreigner living and working in Vietnam, what's everyday life really like? Come along and join me on this company team building trip. First, we hop on a bus and leave Hanoi for Halong Bay. We've arrived at the harbor and are waiting for the shuttle boat. This small boat will take us to the cruise ship where we'll spend our company trip. And just like that, we are on board. Take a look at the breathtaking scenery of Halong Bay, the emerald green water and the unique limestone mountains rising from the sea. We'll be spending 1 day and 1 night on this cruise. The ship has 4 decks. The first 3 decks have guest rooms. The restaurant is on the second deck. The third deck has a bar, and the fourth deck is a large open-air terrace where you can relax, enjoy the sea breeze, or join different activities. Our team building games tonight will all take place on the top deck. By the time we boarded, it was already 1 p.m., so it was time for our first meal on the cruise, a buffet lunch. There was a great variety of food, including fried fish, grilled oysters, all kinds of seafood.
好不好吃，小玉？好不好吃？好不好吃？
Shrimp, vegetables.
航空计划。
哎，我没看到主食在哪呢？
And cut。记录一下，记录一下，学一下吃播。
After a short break in the afternoon, we headed out for a kayaking experience nearby. There were 2 options. You could either paddle your own kayak or take a slightly bigger boat with someone rowing for you. Since I was carrying my camera, I chose to let someone else do the rowing. Along the way, we passed through a cave filled with beautiful stalactites hanging from the ceiling. Halong Bay is also famous for its spectacular limestone caves, but unfortunately, our schedule was too short to visit them this time. Hopefully, I'll get the chance next time. After the boat ride, we returned to the cruise and relaxed for about half an hour. Some of us even went swimming, although I didn't record that part.
滑这么快，滑这么快。
Let's skip ahead to the evening. Our first activity was learning how to make Vietnamese spring rolls. According to one of the crew members, if you want to find a Vietnamese girlfriend or even get married in Vietnam, you better learn how to make spring rolls. The ingredients were already prepared for us: minced pork,
Green onion.
wood ear mushrooms, shrimp,
Noodles.
carrots, onions, spring onions,
Green onion.
glass noodles, and a few seasonings. Soon, the chef came over to give us a demonstration. First, mix all the ingredients together with the seasonings and stir everything evenly. Pretty simple.
炸春卷。是木耳吧？学会做了就能娶越南老婆了。春卷。
hợp lý. Em này cái việc điều chỉnh bếp đấy. Yeah. Mấy cái lượng này mà còn đấy kia thì đủ làm được. Má mới nhặt mà đúng không? Anh có nhào.
Next comes the wrapping. Lay the spring roll wrapper flat on plate. Place a generous spoonful full of filling near the edge and spread it to a neat stripe while leaving some space on both sides. Roll it forward about 2 turns. Fold both sides inward. Then continue rolling tightly until it's completely sealed. And that's it. Vietnamese spring roll is finished. Now, let's watch how someone else did. Next came the evening games. For the first game, 2 teams competed against each other. Everyone stood in a line holding hands without letting go of each other's hands. The team had to pass a hula hoop from the first person to the last. Then, all the way back again, the fastest team would win. The game started, and I was on the team to the right. The whole deck was filled with laughter. One guy. Okay, if you notice that one guy on the other team had an incredibly exaggerated laugh and kept trying to distract us from laughing as loudly as possible. I even pulled him away to stop from interfering.
Mình tranh đo tiền mình mà. Xếp vào tiền mình là mình tranh đo không sao cả. Đừng hiểu mất.
In the end, the team on the left won. Look at him. He's celebrating and laughing at our team. His laugh was so contagious that everyone around him couldn't help laughing too. The best part, the winning team received a prize of 1 million Vietnamese dong, which is about $25. The second game was even more challenging. Each player had to wear a plastic cup strapped to their forehead with a ping pong ball inside. Without using their hands, they had to pass the ball from the first teammate to the last using only the cups. The prize was still 1 million Vietnamese dong. The third game required one player from each team to wear a blindfold. Their task was to carry a cup filled with water from the starting point up to the finish line and pour it into a basin. The rest of the team could only give verbal directions to guide them toward the basin. Physical contact wasn't allowed.
Giơ tay đằng trước. Giơ tay đằng trước. Đó. Đi về đổ đi. Lùi đi. Đá đổ đi. Đổ. Trái đổ. Sắp đây rồi. Về đây.
看谁先装满吗？还是啥？装满了。
Lên chứ bẩn ra. Phải đi nào. Bỏ tay ra. Phải đi. Đừng. Đổ.
他们赢了，赢后转补的。
好玩吧？啊！
Quay cái gì? Đi ra được không?
Bây giờ đến tôi ăn được.
After all the games, we wrapped up the day with a delicious dinner on board, bringing an unforgettable day in Hanoi to a perfect end. It's like Western style anyway. I like the dessert, apple pudding paste.
他是坏人是吧？这是王警长老陆，你是最坏的一个。他是坏人知道吧？我得给你打月喝。